Hi, this is John with WTI. As I'm constantly on the go and moving to different places lately, I needed to get a laptop that was going to be fast, that would use Windows, and at the same time, that it was going to be portable. Easy for me just to put it in my bag, easy, no drama, not big cords. And this is where this Acer Aspire 3 comes into place. This guy here, don't be scared, is packed. It has power. It has an i5 10th generation, a great screen that is going to be snappy, really fast. These 8 gigs of RAM are going to be really good for you just to do your daily jobs, no problem at all. Pocketable, yes, it is. So I put this in my bag, my headphones in, and I can just do some nice work from different places. And the can hold for a good time. So if you're really trying to get a nice laptop that's gonna have a good screen, snappy processor, and the nice specs that are gonna help you to do some good work while you're on the go, this guy here does the job. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.